Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily find up your emo ID on your emo mobile application. So if you want to find out your unique emo ID and you don't know how to find that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply head towards your emo mobile application. Once you are on the emo app, what you have to do next is to simply tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, right next to your name, you will see that there is a little option named as emo ID, but you cannot copy that from here. If you want to see the in depth, simply tap on the arrow option over here. You will see there is an option of edit. Simply tap on that. Head towards emo ID, and then this is like your unique emo id. You other users can find you and send you requests by searching your emo id. If you want to change that out, tap on change emo id and you can customize your emo id by your own self. You can use 8 to 10 characters. You have to add low numbers, uppercases, lower cases, dashes and underscores. It cannot contains number only. You have to type in that and tap on tick mark. Here you have to make sure that you have to simply change the emo id once a year. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up.